Now I will show you what it will look like afterwards. So you crochet in the stitches like you would normally do. So that will be 2 double crochets in each stitch. And now I have another magic trick. I crochet along the end. So a double crochet, finished half, and then I pull up the end together with finishing the stitch. Now the end is here, and then I just pull it down while crocheting this stitch, and then I do the same trick. I pull it up with my hook through the last, or through finishing the stitch. Now I just leave it hanging, and then I crochet 2 more stitches just to show you. And now you do the same thing as before, as in this round. And just take this end, and then I pull it up, pull it through the stitches, the back loops only, and then in this direction, the opposite direction. See, now you can crochet over these stitches again, and I promise you it won't unravel. I will show you the finished part in a minute. See? Perfect little circle. And use my hook to pull the end through these stitches already. So now I just have to do that here, and then I can continue with the next round. I hope it was helpful. Let me know.